video I will explain you how to find out the consonants from the given string. And basically we are using Java language, and I have created one class finding consonants, and I have created one main method, and we are taking string initially. String str is equal to a b c d e f g h I. So basically this is our string, and we have to find out the consonants from this string. And I have taken one other variable integer count. I have just declared it, not initialized as of now. And I have taken character array. In this character array I have taken a e I o u. So these are our OLs. So these needs to be compared with the other characters from the string. So that's important to take a character array with a e I o u. And then I have created one for loop. So here in this for loop I have taken integer I is equal to 0 to I is less than str dot length. So basically in this outer for loop we are navigating from each character in the string. So that's why I have taken str dot length for the outer for loop, and also I have taken one inner for loop. So in this inner for loop I will be using integers j is equal to 0 to j is less than array dot length j plus plus. So in the inner for loop I will navigate from first element to the last element in the array. So we have to use second array second for loop for the array. Okay, so these are the two for loops, and inside this for loop, first for loop I have initialized count is equal to 0. So what is this? Count is equal to 0. So after each for loop execution we have to reinitialize count is equal to 0. So I will explain this later. Then I have taken character ch is equal to str dot char at I. What is this? So basically it separates each character from the string. So when char at 0, so when a value of I is 0, so char at 0 will be a. When char at 1 will be str dot char at 1 will be b. So basically we are separating each characters from the string. So now we have separated, suppose so for the first execution value of I is 0, so we know that the, and now character will be a. Okay, then for so in this for loop we have taken one condition. This condition is important. If character means a, if a is equal to j. What is j now? J initially is 0, so array of 0 means a. So a is equal to a, so condition is satisfying, which will increase the count. Means when the count is 1, when the count is 1 means it's a oval. How so? Let's see. If we are comparing each character with the ovals, we know that these are the ovals. And if when we compare characters with the ovals, so in the array of j we have all the ovals. So if the condition satisfies, which will increase the count, which means it's a oval. It directly means it's a oval. So in the after execution of this for loop I have taken one condition. If count is equal to 0, when count will be 0, so it's a consonant, right? If count is 1, which means oval. So if count is equal to 0, which means it's a consonant. So I will print the statement system.out.println ch will be the character that we have separated here. So after execution of this complete thing, then the value of I will increase from 0 to 1. Now value will be 1, and in this case again count will be 0, because the first execution is done. Now again we want count to increase from 0 to 1 again. So that's why we have reinitialized count is equal to 0. And again when I is 1, so we will be ch will be b. So now we will check with the b again. So here if b character is b now is equal to j, which means a array of 0 is a. B is equal to a, no. P is equal to e, no. P is equal to I, no. Which means here the condition will not satisfy, and count will be same, it will be 0. It will not increase the count. So if count is equal to 0, which means it will print b. So our b is the first consonant. Again the same thing will happen. I value increase from 1 to 2, and character will be now c. So c will be compared with other the array elements a e I o u. If it's not there, then uh, it will not increase the count. So that's how we will be printing the consonants. We will get a B, C, a D. We will get the consonants. So let's print execute this code and check whether we have written the correct code. So we are getting B, C, D, F, G, H. So those are the consonants, and that's how we will find out the consonants from the given string. I hope you guys understood it. Yeah, that's it about finding the consonants from the given string. So I can also explain one other examples. For example, let's take CURRENCY. ENCY. Okay, let's for this example, let's check once whether it's correct. CRRNCY. So we are not we are just finding the consonants. Let's check if it finds if we take it's equal to 1, it should print only the vowels now. It shouldn't be printing consonants. So we are having vowels UE. So that's how from the same example you can find out the vowels as well as consonants. So that's about it. Thank you.